Have you ever looked at your life and felt like something inside you was whispering, "You are meant for more than this"? Maybe you have been stuck. Maybe you have been doubting yourself. Maybe life has knocked you down more times than you count. But today, this moment, right now, is your reminder that your story isn't finished. Life doesn't always go the way we expect. Dreams get delayed, plans fall apart, people disappoint us, we disappoint ourselves. You wake up some days feeling tired, not just physically, but emotionally tired. Tired of trying, tired of failing, tired of starting over. But listen carefully. The fact that you are still here means you haven't given up. It means there is a part of you stronger than the doubt, stronger than the fear, that refuses to quit. Struggle isn't a sign you are failing. Struggle is a sign you are growing. There comes a moment in every journey when something changes, not on the outside, but on the inside. It's the moment you say, "I am done waiting, I am done doubting, I am done settling for less than I deserve." When you finally decide to rise, the world doesn't suddenly become easier, you become stronger. You stop letting fear control you, you stop letting excuses define you, you stop letting the past write your future. That shift, that inner decision, is where transformation begins. Every champion, every leader, every person you admire started where you are. Unsure, uncertain, unprepared. But they moved anyway. They took the first step even when they couldn't see the whole path. They chose discipline over comfort. They chose courage over fear. They chose growth over excuses. And you can do the same. Start small, start messy, start scared. Just start. Because every tiny step you take builds momentum. Every effort compounds. Every day you push, even just a little, moves you closer to the life you want. You have no idea how powerful you are. You have survived things that could have broken you. You have endured storms that others never saw. You have carried weights in silence and still kept moving. Give yourself credit. Give yourself respect. Give yourself permission to grow. You are capable of more than you have ever imagined, not because of luck, not because of talent, but because of your resilience. You are unstoppable when you believe in yourself. So, here's your reminder. Your life can change in a single decision. Your future is built by what you do today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Stand up, take a deep breath, look forward, and choose to rise. Your next chapter begins now.